Welcome to 30-Day Reviews, where I use the products for 30 days before giving you a full honest review. I am Justin, and today we are taking a look at giveaways because, well, I just hit 2,000 subscribers, and so I figured what a better reason than to give back to my community than hitting a little milestone. Now make sure that you stay till the very end of the video for some important information about winning one of these three prizes. Now before we get into the first giveaway pack, I do want to say that most of this I have reviewed, so if you want to see what I thought of these products, check out the links in the video description as well. Now on to the first and the largest giveaway pack, which is the Bearded Man. With the Bearded Man you get quite a bit, including this here Can You Handlebar shop rag. It's great to wipe off your beard brush or just to wipe off your hands after you're done applying your beard balm or beard oil. Even the oil from your car. Whatever oil you want to use it for, it's great to have around. The next thing that we've got is the Can You Handlebar Wisdom Beard Oil. Comes in a nice cardboard shipper here in a 1-ounce container. We've got their dry beard balm or beard oil. It's more of an oil, but it is in a little tin instead, so it's a little bit easier to carry around with you. And because you're going to need a nice way to apply that beard oil and beard balm, we are also sending you a Can You Handle beard brush. I love mine, I use it all the time, and I'm sure that you will really like how nice and comfortable this is in your hand as much as I do. Now, because every full good beard has a mustache and many of them choose to go with the very stylish handlebar, you will also get a primary as well as the secondary mustache waxes, which are a absolute wonderful combination. Next up on the list for this giveaway is Bossman. Bossman has sent his beard jelly. This is in the scent of fine leather, sweet tobacco, and aged bourbon, and it is completely different than any other beard oil or balm that you've ever used. I really enjoyed my trial of this, and I'm sure that you will as well. Bossman also sent along their very unique Mustache. This stuff is a great mustache trainer, and well, even if you're not training your stash, it still holds pretty good even on a full stash like mine. Now, whether you use these products or not, you're definitely still going to need to have a way to keep your beard, your mustache, and if you're luckier than me, your head hair clean. Well, what's a better way to do that than with WSP's Real Manly Soap Shampoo? This will help you keep it nice and clean and looking its best. You're also going to be getting a Savvy Jack mustache wax. Now, I just did a review of this and I really do like their products, and so you're getting a mustache wax as well as something that, as far as I'm concerned, it has to be one of the coolest things in this giveaway, and that is the custom-made beard brush from Savvy Jack. It's got their logo on it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but it's got my logo on it right there as well. So you are definitely getting a one-of-a-kind with this giveaway. So I'm sure that you guys will love his craftsmanship as much as I do. Now, the last thing for the Bearded Man giveaway is a word notebook. Now, I have not reviewed these yet. However, I absolutely love it. I've been using mine, just having mine in my back pocket for about the last 3 or 4 months. And it's came in really handy, especially when I was at the shop here, taking down measurements and just writing down things that I needed to remember. So I'm going to go ahead and send one of those along with you because I wanted you to be able to try one out. Now, to make this giveaway possible, I reached out to a few companies that I have been very happy with working with over the past year or two. Now, these companies sent me so much stuff that I was originally only going to do one giveaway, but really it fits really well into 2 different categories. So we got the Bearded Man that you guys just saw, and now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the Shaved Man, and it's going to start out right away with some WSP. They went ahead and sent along the Real Manly Soap Barbershop scent. I tried this out and I really like the scent. It's not overpowering in the shower, but it is a very nice scent. Then they also sent over their face soap that has charcoal, tea tree, and lavender in it. That is sure to give you a nice clean face. And as we all know, a clean face is needed to get a good close shave. And what are you going to shave that with? Well, you're actually going to be shaving it with a Lucky Frank's razor. That's right, Lucky Frank's was so awesome to send me over a razor as well as some blades with that for you guys. And he also sent his sandalwood shaving cream, which I absolutely love. It is a really nice long-lasting bar or puck of shave soap. Hopefully whoever wins this kit is not follically challenged up here like I am, because he also sent some of his new hair pomade. Obviously I have not reviewed this product, but I'll tell you what, it smells absolutely wonderful, and ever since I started shaving my head, I've never wanted to have hair except for when I saw this and the amazing metal comb that he sent along with it. Check this thing out. It is sleek, it is comfortable, and I'm sure that it will make one heck of a good comb. And now, because a lot of you gentlemen that shave are like me and like to rock a mustache, you will be getting Peckerhead's mustache wax. I liked this stuff. I do believe, if I remember correctly, that it falls in the light heavy category, so if you got a little bit of a handlebar, it should be able to control it nicely for you. And last but not least, but for the second giveaway, I have to admit I am kind of jealous because you guys are getting a Spine wallet, and I've done a review on it. I use one all the time. It's my main wallet, but you guys are getting their new one, which is a skull pattern. That is just awesome. I love it. I'm jealous. And I'm sure that whoever gets it is really gonna like it. And that is all that we have for the Shaved Man's kit. Now, compared to the other two giveaways, the third one is much smaller. However, it is geared towards the simpler man. A man that wants to get his mustache under control so that he can drink his coffee. That's right, gentlemen. You will be getting a Savvy Jack mustache wax as well as a full pound of Dark Horse 25 coffee from Holler Roast, which I have heard. I don't drink coffee. However, I heard that it is a very, very delightful cup of coffee. Now, last but not least, you'll be able to save some money when you go to reorder some more of that Holler Roast coffee, because not only do you get that and the mustache wax, but I am also going to be giving you a 6-month free membership to my membership area on my website, which gets you a whole slew of awesome discounts. Now, if you want to win one of these 3 kits, all you have to do is click the link down below in the description, fill out the form, and just so you know, sarcastic answers will be disqualified. But you have until February 1st to enter the giveaway. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button to see reviews on all of these type of products and many more to come in the next year. Until next time, you have a good one.